I'd like to thank the ancient Aboriginal peoples of this land where we are meeting today. Cessnock, Kurri Kurri and surrounding areas are acknowledged as where the three language groups met. The Wabkul to the east, the Wonnanura to the northwest, and the Darkinjung to the south. I'd like to convey my respects to the ancient Aboriginal elders and extend those respects to any Aboriginal people with us today.
Good morning everybody and welcome to week 7 of term 2. It's been a very interesting term as you all know, but we're now really back into pretty much business as usual. The country have done a great job on reducing the number of COVID cases and we haven't had any in this region for over 8 weeks, so congratulations to everybody for the team effort on reducing those numbers. We've been really happy with the feedback of the virtual assemblies, so we've decided to keep those for parents so that you get an opportunity to see what's going on in the school. So we will continue to showcase one KLA area in these virtual assemblies, and we'll do a special one for NAIDOC week in a couple of weeks. Year 10 into 11 subject selections will be ramping up and you'll be getting some booklets, and we'll be doing some virtual tours of courses and some information sessions with parents online, probably through Canvas since we can't have people back in the school just yet. Year 7 had their project launch this week down in the greenhouse, and they've been doing a whole lot of painting of their pots and colour mixing and some fabulous things. So I'm sure Year 7 parents will be excited to see what's going on in that space. Year 12 will be ramping up for the trials. Their trial exams begin week 1 of next term and will be held up at the TAFE. We've already organised all of that and some information went out to Year 12 about that last week. Year 12 reports are available online, so please make sure that you've accessed those. And I just want to do a shout out to Mr. McKinley and Miss Somerville for their work with all of the Year 12 students on having individual meetings with their parents to make sure that they're on track and to let us know of anything else that we can do to support them. There will be holiday classes in terms of opening up the workshops and having a number of seminars that students will be able to access over that holiday period. Also, the study centre will be opened over the holiday period for senior access. So please make sure that your students are accessing that extra time and the extra time that staff will put in. And I want to thank staff for putting in that extra time for students given the interesting and challenging times of the HSC. There are still no excursions or anything that we can have that leaves the school at the moment, and that will probably be until the end of term. So I don't expect to see anything happening outside of school until term 3. And the uniform shop news is that we're still waiting on stock coming in. So please be patient with that. We can't make it happen any faster, but we are aware that there are some delays. Please be aware that there is student assistance available for your child if you can't afford some of the uniform, and we're really happy to help you in that space. We do give a 50% discount on the hoodies, so please come in and access that so that your child's in full school uniform. I'm now going to hand over to Year 12 who are doing the Easter raffle.
Hey guys, Year 12 here, we're about to do the Easter raffle, better late than never.
And first prize is Miss Golding from Quest. Second prize is Jack Eves, Year 12. And last prize is Cooper Vasella.
Congratulations to all the winners.
On Monday the 15th, we have a fundraiser at Domino's between 4 and 8, so every pizza bought, $1 will go towards it, the formal. Please buy pizza. Please buy pizza.
probably be a terrible 911 dispatcher. God forbid you have to call 911 and I answer the phone. 911, what's your emergency?
Is it my turn? She repeats the steps, calling out the French terms for each movement.
Making video.
Hi everyone, welcome to Term 2's Wellbeing Challenge. The Wellbeing team has put together some fortnightly challenges for you to try at home. The theme for the term are 5 ways to wellbeing, which include give, be active, take notice, keep learning and connect. This fortnight we're keeping on learning, we're embracing new experiences, seeing opportunities and surprising ourselves by being part of some cool activities over the week. Each lunch too, there will be a different activity running within the school, so check out our daily notices to keep up to date with what's happening this week to keep learning. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for all the weekly happenings in wellbeing and all that's good at Curry Curry High.